Hi, I'm Judy Calderon and I'm a member of the Summit. My mom hated me from the day that I was born. From the time I was a young girl, I was physically, mentally, and emotionally abused by my mom through words she spoke to me, through calling me names, through pulling my hair. And then when I was 15 years old, my mom chased me with a knife, and my dad moved me out of the home to protect me. And then I tried going back home again to see if things would be different, and they weren't any different, and she chased me with a knife for the second time. And at that point, I moved in with some people that I babysat for. During the time that I was being abused, I can remember sitting in my bedroom on almost a daily basis thinking about how I would commit suicide because I wanted out of the situation. I was so wounded and so hurt and felt there was no escape, and I felt that was going to be my way out.